League School of Greater Boston strives to be the premier organization serving the autism community to prepare individuals with autism to contribute to and thrive in a neuro-diverse world. Driving League School is the vision of providing excellence in autism education. We look to achieve this by employing a holistic approach emphasizing academic, social, emotional, communication, and behavior skills to maximize positive outcomes for our neurodiverse population and their families. League School's residential program offers students additional supports by continuing educational and clinical services 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The program focuses on developing daily living skills, including self-care, home care, cooking, and leisure, as well as community skills such as shopping, traveling, and community inclusion. League School employs the CERTS model as a framework for all of our educational and residential programs. CERTS is a multidisciplinary approach that focuses on improving students' social communication and emotional regulation by providing them with transactional supports.